Hey there, this is Jules with Julia Designs, and today I'm going to talk about a couple ways that you can use Canva with Command. So I'll walk through how you can download pieces in Canva to then use in Command campaigns. And I'll go through two different scenarios here, so a social post and an email campaign. And I am signed in at agent.kw.com. And I have Canva open in another tab, so I'll be jumping back and forth between these tabs as well, just a heads up. So let's start with how we can go about downloading a social piece. So I do have an example already made, an example template already pulled up in Canva. So in order to use this as a social post, you'll want to download this as a PNG. So to do that, we can go up to Share in the top right corner. Go down to Download. And we're going to download this as suggested, so as a PNG or high quality image, and click Download. So that's going to save this file onto your computer. So I'll save that. And now we can jump back over to Command to set up our social post campaign. So let's go over to the campaign section, which if you're still learning these applets, you can click on this red KW on the top left to expand those out and click Campaigns. Next, let's go up to Create Campaign in the top right and choose Social Post for this. So you can, of course, add in text for the content, but here is where you can add that image or that piece. So we have image selected, and we're gonna choose to upload an image instead of browse designs. And then we can click right here to search our computer for that design. So we can crop that, zoom out a little bit, crop. And you'll see that preview on the right side here for how that would display on your Facebook feed for all your friends. So you can then go ahead and schedule that post or publish immediately, either way. But that's how you can use a Canva piece for a social post. So now let's talk about how we can use this piece in an email campaign instead. So I'm just gonna save this draft for now. So in order to use this as an email campaign, it does need to be on an email design. So let's go over to the design section and I'll walk through how you can get this image onto an email design. So we are in that design section and we're gonna go up to Create Design in the top right and we're gonna choose Email. And for this, we're gonna start from blank. So click in the top right here. Well, let's go ahead and give that a name. So I'll just name it Email Campaign. Next, I can use these widgets on the right-hand side to drag and drop that over to this editor on the left-hand side. So for this, I'm going to use an image widget. So I'm going to click and drag that over and release my mouse. It'll give me this pop-up. From here, we're going to go over to Add Images. We're going to click here again to browse our computer and then select that file. Then scroll down a little bit if you're not seeing it, but you're going to need to click on it and click Save in order to get that to populate here. So now that that piece is on an email design, I can save that and exit out. So I'm going to click to save changes again. Now we can go back to the campaign section. And when we click create campaign in the top right, we can choose email for this. Give that a name, whatever that may be. Choose your goal. I'll just choose other for now and click create campaign. So you can fill out this information 1 through 5 here. So the recipients, the subject, etc. In order to add that piece from Canva, we can go down now to select design. And that will first show your design, your email design templates that you have in your designs library. And there's my piece right here where I can click, make any additional changes I may need to. So I think I'm going to add in a legal footer to meet compliance. So I'm going to click and drag. So you'll see that green line appears right underneath it where that's going to drop. When I release my mouse, that legal footer displays. Now these right here are all merge fields. So this pulls from your marketing profile. So if you go up to options in the top right and go to preview, you can see this piece and how that will actually look with your information pulled in. So now I can go with save and exit. That looks good. And there you go. That's how you can add a Canva piece to an email campaign. So those are a couple ways you can use Canva pieces in Command. Feel free to let us know if you have any questions at all at contact@juliadesigns.com. Thank you so much.